Today I am going to solve Maharashtra State, June 2019, paper 2nd, subject English. Question number 17. Who among the following is not associated with the theatre of absurd? Options are A. Samuel Beckett, B. John Obscure, C. John Ford, D. Tom Stoppard. So answer is John Ford. He is not belong to the theatre of absurd, and they all are belong to the theatre of absurd. Question number 18. Pat Barker is the author of A. Sacred Hunger, B. Bird Song, C. Regeneration Trilogy, D. English Passion. So the answer is the Regeneration Trilogy. The Pat Barker, he has written the Regeneration Trilogy. Question number 19. The term three-label term label for the consonant B is A. Voiceless nasal fricative, B. Voice nasal affricate, C. Voice biblial plosive, D. Voiceless biblical fricative. So answer is C. Voice biblial plosive. Now next to question number 20. Who is known as the father of comedy in Europe? A. P.G. Wodehouse, B. Ben Jonson, C. Aristophanes, D. Sophocles. So answer is C. Aristophanes. Question number 21. The Geralt Fritz is a character in D.H. Lawrence's novel entitled A. A Lady Chatterjee Lover, B. The Rainbow, C. Sons and Lovers, D. Woman in Love. So the Geralt Fritz is a character in Woman in Love, which is written by D.H. Lawrence. Question number 22. Which novelist echoed the oft-quoted lines of Shakespeare as a flies to wanton boys, are we to gods, the killers for their sports? Options are A. Charles Dickens in David Copperfield, B. Thomas Hardy in a Test, C. Thomas Hardy in Under the Greenwood Tree, D. George Eliot in The Mill on the Floss. So these lines are given from the Thomas Hardy Test. Move to question number 23. The Keats and the Shakespeare was written by A. Middleton Murray, B. Lord David Cecil, C. Allardyce Nicol, D. H.J.C. Garrison. So the Keats and the Shakespeare was written by Middleton Murray. Question number 24. Which among the following is not a work by Nadine Gordimer? Options are A. The Conservationalist, B. Unbearable Lightness of a Being, C. Julius Pepper, D. The Pickup. So the Unbearable Lightness of a Being, which is not written by Nadine Gordimer. Question number 25. The research which is explosive new facts through the study of the past is called A. Comparative research, B. Mythological research, C. Historical research, D. Philosophical research. So the answer is historical research. Move to question 26. The Golden Gate was inspired by whose translation? A. Charles H. Johnston, B. Walter W. Ardnott, C. James F. Fallon, E. Fallon, D. Stanley Michael. So answer is A. Charles H. Johnston. Question number 27. Which is the main objective of research? Options are A. To review the literature, B. Discover new facts or make fresh interpretation of known facts, C. To summarize what is already known, D. To get academic degree. So answer is B. To discover new facts or make fresh interpretation of known facts. Question number 28. Which of these is not a dialect of English? A. Yorkshire, B. Welsh, C. Bradbury, D. Kentish. So a dialect of English is Yorkshire, Wales and the Kentish, but Bradbury is not the dialect. So answer is C. Bradbury.